How's it going, everyone? It's Sean, the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I just wanted to make a video real quick for my entry in the Al Wood appreciation build. He's a great guy, he's always commenting on my stuff and everybody else's, and I'm sure, I've heard a lot of good things about him, what he gives to the community and everything. So I wanted to get in on this build, and I love his Matchbox Mondays. And well, I'm going to show you what I'm going to build. It's a, let's see, it's a 132 scale Surtees TS 1603 right here. It shows AMT, but it's a Matchbox kit for Matchbox Mondays. It's a little Formula One car, and let me see, show y'all that it's still sealed on the inside, but that's going to be my entry in the Al Wood appreciation build. And I love the little 132 scale cars. I like the Matchbox and Airfix kits and stuff like that, so I figured, British car, Formula One car, Matchbox, why not? That'd be a good tribute build for him there. And while I'm at it, while I'm doing a video real quick, I think I'll show y'all. I got a flea market score. I got a big old box full of old 72nd scale airplane. They're anywhere from Matchbox, Airfix to whatever. I don't know my airplanes too good and stuff, but I'm going to show all these kits here, and bits and pieces are broken and parts and stuff, and they were all thrown in a box, and I just been trying to glue little pieces back together and see if they're all complete, but I didn't give nothing for it. So, and I thought Al Wood would appreciate this, because I think some of them's MPC. I know Airfix. Let's see, what's the Matchbox. There's all different brands in here, and let me turn this over here and I'll show y'all. Alright, here's my desk laid out here. I've been gluing, here's a bunch, and here's the box, just full. I'll pull some out here and let y'all see what all's in here. Let's see. I don't know what this is. It's a German kit. I don't know if that's Matchbox or Airfix or what. I've glued, there's a bunch of broke pieces here and there, but I've been gluing stuff back on. That's one of them. Let's see. Here's a little Spitfire. Let's see. I don't have no clue what this little one is. If y'all can see that very good or not. There's so many things here. I don't know what that is either. It's German. I'll say this one here. That's a British plane, missing the wheel. It's probably in the box. Here's a little Japanese plane. Let's see. Here, this looks like a float plane. I don't know what. It's Japanese. It's got the big red 0 on it. Let's see. And down there, I know a Messerschmitt. That's a Messerschmitt. This plane here, German. Don't have a clue what it is. Another German, I guess some sort of bomber. Al Wood would know what this stuff is. All kinds of planes. I don't know what that one is. That one's British. I guess that's British. Little plane there. This one here would be British for sure. I know the markings there. Here's a little plane. I haven't got, looking for all the parts for it to glue it back together. There's a German jet. And in here, it's got all kinds. They're just thrown in here. Whether they're complete or not, I really don't know yet. Like I said, I've just been going through it, and that looks fairly complete there. Then maybe the wheel's missing off of it. That looks like another, what's that thing called? Spitfire. Yeah, American plane. Don't know what it is yet. Another one. As you can see, lots of stuff there. I don't even know what that is. That's German. I wouldn't know where to begin to know what it is. Just all kinds if you want to look in there. There's one. It's a Japanese plane. Whatever this little white plane is here. It's all kinds of neat stuff. Alright, I get off here. I just wanted y'all to see what I've got and show my build that I'm going to build. Thank you.